Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about 5 ways to save on rent. Let's get into the video. During this time of rising economic cost, it would be a good idea to save money at every opportunity given on basic living expenses, especially rent. So today, I want to go over 5 ways to save on rent. The first way to save on rent is to sign an extended lease. Stability is what a landlord seeks. Instead of 6 months or a year, you can offer it to them by signing a year and a half or 2 years. The lower the landlord should be willing to go for a longer lease, the better. The second way is pay upfront. If you can afford it, offer to pay the entire lease or at least a few months in advance for a reduction. The landlord may agree to a bargain in order for you to have cash on hand, but this is only a possibility if you have sufficient funds to cover the cost and then some. You do not want to end up with credit card debt because you depleted your saving accounts to save a few bucks on rent. Credit card interest would eat into the funds. And if you do pay in advance, make sure you put the money back into your saving account on a regular basis. The third way to save on rent is to get a roommate. This one is self-explanatory and it will save you the most money. The average price of one bedroom apartment in the United States is around 1600. A two-bedroom apartment will cost around 1900 on average. When you divide the second amount by 2, you get a monthly savings of around 696. That's a substantial savings when multiplied by 12. That does not account for shared expenses such as utilities, cooking supplies, hygiene, or food. The fourth way is to give up your parking space. You do not need a parking space if you do not have a car. Offer to hand it over in exchange for a lower rent. The landlord could resell the area to another tenant who may require additional parking. The fifth way is to negotiate when you renew a lease. Landlords want to keep decent tenants on their properties. Moving you out and bringing in someone else in cost them money. That suggests you have some bargaining power. Come in with a number in mind after researching similar flats in your area. If the landlord refuses to budge, inform them you'll be looking for a new place. They will want to keep you if you have been a good tenant. A word of warning: make sure you know who you are working with. Unlike property management corporations, independent landlords have a lot more flexibility. Try to sweeten the deal by offering something in return if they have numerous renters in the complex and are unwilling to make sacrifices. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.